Hey, this is T with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Bennington 23 RSR. It does have the black panels, SPS package, ski tow bar, powered with a Yamaha 200 horsepower. This one does have the driftwood interior with sandstone accent, pillow top upholstery on the R series, of course. Storage up under all of your seats, flip down armrest, and both stern lounges and both forward lounges up front. Of course, this is the center walk-through, seagrass full flooring. Co-captain's chair. This chair does swivel, of course. Slides front to back, and the backrest will recline as well. Same thing can be said for the captain's chair. It is sitting on a 3-inch elevated helm. Console here, you got the KMC 10. Stereo upgrade. Got the GPS, analog gauges, Garmin depth finder, fish finder. This boat does have the RGB lighting, which is all your speakers and cup holders have LED lightings in them. Up front here, we've got on driver's side lounge here, flip down armrest. Also has a USB port in here. You can do your charging, phone charger, 2 USB ports. Portable cup holders, a removable table, more portable cup holders. Again, same thing over here, flip down armrest. You've got a nice trash can right here. That's where your owner's pack and all is right now. Stern light. This model does have the bow gate seat, which is that seat there, which sits in front of the front gate. But you can move that in front of the side gate here, or you can move it back here to the stern area. Again, this is a 2019 model. Driftwood interior, sandstone accent, black panel color. It does have your standard 10-foot bimini and a standard, of course, 10-year bow to stern warranty on the boat itself. And you've got a lifetime structural warranty from the floor down. If you have any more questions, give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.